This is my 2017 KTM RC390. At this point, I know her inside and out, and she looks very different from the day I brought her home. Aside from the waifu situation, she was also drinking coolant, and that called for an engine out head gasket change. When I got in there, I noticed she had some excessive carbon buildup, so a new piston went in as well. I shimmed the valves, and then I slapped the bike back together. Did some coolant upgrades to the radiator, including a new spall fan and a radiator cap. With fingers crossed, the bike started right up. Brings us to the KTM's current form. Have it stage 1 street trim. From here, we're going to be track oriented. We got plenty more in store for this bike, that's for sure.